Well, welcome back to the Lamae, Chumphon, Thailand, Saturday, October 21st. Just after 6 o'clock in the evening here. I think this is train number 43, Bangkok to Suratani. Here's the station master putting the ring out. We just saw the station cat here, but I don't see him right now. Here comes the train. Oops. Looking around and not paying attention. Oh yeah. 3 cars, sleepers. Tigger's doing his business. And that's all she wrote, Lamae. We got family down here in town. They're at the market. We're gonna go check out the chill out market again. There's Tigger getting his extra special care. It's, what did I just say? 10 minutes after 6 in the evening, 1800 hours. And things pretty active. Nice. Good evening. Quick one. That's all she wrote. Bye bye.